Hi everybody, this is Biohazard Prime again, this time with another unboxing, or maybe an unbagging. The product is a Promagnet mattress pad. This pad has magnets all throughout it that is supposed to be good for pain and I'm sure a few other things. You'd have to do your own research on that. My mother wanted this one, so there she goes. They sent it in this bag, inside of a regular box with only these instructions. You can pause it and read that if you'd like. So let's get this thing opened. Here, Dev, hold that. Alright, well, I could have swore I got a full size. This looks much more like a twin. I'm going to have to do some research on that. And the only writing on it is this side towards body. Alright, we're going to get this on the bed, see what Mom thinks, and I'll get back to you. So this is a full-size mattress, and this is a twin-size pad, and it turns out I did buy this twin-size pad. It's $127 on Amazon, which is interesting because if I remember right, I went to Promagnet.com and they sold it for a bit more than that. So if you want one, get it from Amazon. It says there's 230 magnets inside of this pad, and they're all about the size of a penny. You know, right there is one of the magnets, and they're 3/4 of an inch, it says. And I wanted to test whether or not it's a magnet, so I got another magnet, and you can set it on there, and it's in there. It's just really small, you know, it'll bounce off. But we will see what Mom thinks, and I'll get back to you. So as it turns out, Mom really is a true believer in magnet therapy, and she's extremely satisfied. She slept on it for about 9 days while she was here with us, and she took it home. I've got kind of a testimonial from her. I'm going to leave it down in the comments for you guys to review. Again, she's extremely happy, and thanks again for watching. Give me a like. Subscribe if you'd like. Thank you.